Brother Joy, welcome back to Connected Testimonies. The testimony you shared today was powerful in church. You mind sharing that with us for Connected Testimonies?
Yes, I was definitely share that. Yesterday I was going down the street and there was a stray dog running around. So the dog was running in the street, and the car was going to hit the dog. So I tried to grab the dog, and I didn't see another car coming my way. So I was hit by the car, and then it ran over my foot. It's like God intervened. So it was just so a blessing. I was just shocked. Like, I just have a scrape on my leg, and that's a great miracle. It's a miracle that I'm alive, because I could have been killed. And I just thank God just eternally for that.
And you said you felt like a force,
yeah,
kind of like.
It was a big force. Like, it was like really quick. It was like when the car came, it was like, oh, I was like, oh, and he just pushed me back, and the wheels just ran over my legs and stuff. So it was just a big old touch and a shock. And I was like, whoa, thank you, Jesus, and this and that. My mom, she was just crazy, like, oh my gosh, and things. So it was just a great blessing that God is still here, and He still cares for us, and He loves us. So, and just, you should know that he's real, and he's always watching, and He loves you. So thank you.
All right. God bless you, bro. Thank you.
You too.